natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here, and today I will be doing a hair video for you guys. My eyes are different, contacts are different. I'm gonna have a video about these contacts real soon, so stay tuned. I'm working my way into them, so if you guys are like not used to it yet, it's okay. I'm not used to it yet either. I'm in my bathroom right now because I just washed my hair. I did what was the last night? I did a overnight deep condition type of thing. My hair was in a bun for like 2 weeks, and that was because I was just feeling lazy and I wasn't really feeling like doing my hair. So I was in a bun for 2 weeks, just gel like all over my edges. It was a horrible situation. My hair was hella dry. So I did an overnight deep condition type of thing with some Wen conditioner, and I used some castor oil. Okay, so that was sitting on my hair overnight. I just washed that out. My hair is like almost dry right now, which is not what I wanted, but setting up was a stretch for me because I'm filming other than my regular space, and I haven't filmed in weeks, so my kind of still as I try and get back into the groove. So please bear with me, okay, if this isn't perfect. But I really wanted to come on camera and talk to you guys about these two gels that I picked up. I'm late, I know. What is new? No. So I went to the store and I picked up 2 new gels, and I just thought I would just review them for you guys because I was really excited for trying them. It says new, but these have been out in the US and like other parts of the world for months. But hey, it's new to me because I'm trying it for the first time, so whatever. So I got the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil, this one, and I just got this in a small tub. I don't know, these were just the sizes that they had, and I just picked them up. And then this one is the Eco Styler Coconut Oil version, right? So I'm really excited. I tried this, not necessarily tried, I just used it to like do my parameter, like for a bun, and that was it. But I want to do both of these with a wash and go right now. It's gonna be like half on one side, half on the other side, so you guys can see how they both work, because I'm trying to just kill 2 birds with 1 stone right now. So it's gonna be the Black Castor and Flaxseed versus the Eco Styler Coconut Oil. Let's see which one is better. As I said, I just washed. I didn't apply anything to moisturize, so I'm gonna use my Holy Grail, which is almost done. I need to re-up on this. This is the America Hemp Hair Oil from World of Hair. It's legit almost done because me and Babe run through this real quick. We don't really use like a lot of stuff, so I think this is like the only thing he uses in his hair as well. So just a bit to make it a bit softer. You guys know how I do. It's almost dry, which you guys know is not the ideal setting for a wash and go to be real nice. So I think I'm just going to turn the pipe on and just wet it a bit more, because I hate styling dry hair. It's annoying. Okay. Luckily I'm in the bathroom, so this isn't hard. Alright, so I'm just going to separate in 2 sections right now so that I can do 1 gel on one side and the other gel on the other side. Alright, so on this side I'm going to be doing the flaxseed and castor oil gel. And this is how it looks. I paid $400 for this, 400 Jamaican dollars, so that's pretty cheap. This is just how that looks. Alright, let me smell it, because I do have a cold, guys, if I sound funny. So let me see if I can even smell, but this is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. Yeah. It smells so good. It smells good though. Alright, let me get some smaller sections to work with. I'm so excited, like I legit just want to fling the gel in my ear right now. But let's do it right and see if it actually works. Oh my god though. I get water in everything. I'm just applying a bit more water because my hair is super dry right now. There we go. So I'm just going to do the regular motion that I normally do. Just taking a bit per section, not too much, because in case it's really good I don't want to finish it, and I like to coat first and then just rake through. So guys, this is not going to be much of like a tutorial, it's just going to be a review because I have a lot of wash and goes already on my channel, so I'm gonna link some of those down below for you guys. And I promise guys, this year I will remember to link everything in the description bar like I promised, okay? Yeah. because you know always a chew me out, you know nothing down there. But yeah, I'm just raking this through and I really love, oh god. Alright. Okay, castor oil and flaxseed oil. Yeah, goody. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna see if I can zoom you guys in a bit. But you know what? Let me just zoom you guys in when I'm done with each side. So I'm just gonna continue doing this and see how it goes. But I love how it's forming so far. I love that. Look at that. Alright, cool. Beautiful curls. I love it. Alright, cool. Let me continue. Come back when I'm done with this side. Alright guys, so I just finished using the flaxseed and castor oil on this side and I am in friggin' love. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in. I don't remember what way is zoom in again. Should be that. Let me see if I can zoom you in. I don't know if you guys can see the definition. This is friggin' crazy, okay? Love the definition, but I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys, just kind of compare them to tell you what's good with both of them, alright? So yeah, let me start. This is the coconut oil eco styler. That on the top. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. Alright, so let me just. I like that smell of the flaxseed one better. This doesn't smell bad, you know. It doesn't smell bad, but you know, I like the other smell better. Alright, so let me just start because this is a big tub. This is a lot. You guys can see. Okay guys, so I have applied the gel to both sides of my head. I'm just gonna seal my ends now with some oil. This is Jamaican black castor oil, the raw castor oil. I'm just gonna use some of that on my ends on both sides. Alright. Okay guys, so wash and go is done, ends are sealed. Let me tell you guys the truth, okay? I love them both, to be honest. I love them both. As you guys can see, both of them, let me zoom in and see if you guys can get like a closer shot of the curls. I don't know if I came in too close, but I just want you guys to be able to see the curls. You guys should be able to see them. Back. Alright, this is what the curls are looking like. Alright guys, so I have tried them both and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think now. I love them both, to be honest. Both of them did a really good job. So on this side, it again is a castor oil and flaxseed. On this side is a coconut oil. Alright. So this one is my favorite just because it smells very good. It has more slip, like not like drastically much more, but like it has a little more slip than the coconut oil. And the curls, because of that, the curls form faster. It smells nicer. This smells good too, you know, don't get me wrong, but this smells nicer. This smells a whole lot nicer. I want to see if, of course, ooh, it just smells sweet. I want to see if it flakes, like how bad they both flake, because you guys know EcoStyler promises no flaking, but that's a lie. We all know it does flake, but just not as much as regular gel. Okay, it does flake. Let's just get that out of the way. So for the flaxseed, smells good, has a lot of slip. So I would definitely, this would be my first choice of the two. I think this actually made it to the top now for me in terms of eco style. I've tried the argan oil, the sports edition, the regular green one. I've tried the crystal one, which is the white one, the clear one, and now I've tried these. So I've gone through almost the whole catalog. Oh, also the pink one. I don't remember what the pink one is. I've tried basically the whole catalog now. So I'm gonna re-up on my collection because I really like having all of them because they really do different work. You know, even though it's the same kind of quality, Eco Styler definitely is the best gel for natural hair. But apart from that, this is really good. Haven't found a problem with this. The only problem I have with the coconut one is the fact that it doesn't have as much slip and it takes a little more work to form the curls, but it still works. See, you just have to use a little bit more product with this. With this, I think it's because of the flaxseed and the castor oil combo, it makes it easier to form the curls. So yeah, that's it. But they both like give me definition, both of them. They both give me definition, they both have weight, and they're just both really, really good. I don't know, like I love them both, but definitely this is my favorite. That's the bottom line. This is my new bae. It's right here. So yeah guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Drop your comments down below as per usual. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. This year we're gonna hard, we're gonna crazy. Expect a lot more natural hair videos just because I promised to myself I'm gonna be doing it right this year with my natural hair. I have seen some growth and I've also seen a lot of shedding because of stress. But because of that, I don't really want to put myself on a length journey, but I really want healthy hair. So I'm gonna be reading up on some stuff, and when I do get my catalog of natural hair products together, I'm of course going to do a routine video sharing like all my products that I like to use for washing and stuff like that. So there will be an updated version of my natural hair routine video, I guess, but like products that I like. So definitely will be an updated version of that this year. So stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm loving both these gels. This is my favorite. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, as per usual, just drop it below and I'll answer it down there. Yeah, thanks guys so much for staying tuned to the channel while I was gone, and I really appreciate it. Of course guys, if you're watching this after this video is posted and I posted the contact lens video, the updated one, I'm gonna have it linked in the iCard, so just look for it up there if you guys want to get the details on my contacts. But the video isn't up yet. When it is up, the link will be up there. So thanks guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.